Hi everyone, I am Pradnya Vagdare. In today's session, we will see class and object in Java. There are some subtopics. Let's see what is meant by class, what is meant by object, how to create class in Java, how to create methods in Java, how to create class object and access method in class, and last one is sample program using class and object in Java. Let's see one by one. What is meant by class in Java? Now I wrote here the definition of class. A class is a group of objects. Class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint which objects are created. It is a logical entity, it can't be physical. A class in Java can contain fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested class and interface. The class contains fields. Fields means data variables. Methods means member functions, constructors, blocks, nested class and interfaces. It all contains class in Java. Understood? Now, next one. What is meant by object in Java? Object is nothing but an entity. An entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. Here I took some examples: chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. Okay, these are the some examples of objects. An object has three characteristics. Now let's see one by one. State. The state represents the data or value of an object. State represents the value of an object. And behavior. The behavior represents the behavior or we can say the functionality of an object, such as deposit or withdrawal, etc. Now, identity. An object identity is typically implemented via a unique ID. Value of ID is not visible to the external user. Okay. However, it is used internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. Understood? Now, next, here is one of the example of object. The example of an object is dog. Now, what is the identity? The name of dog. Identity is name of dog. And state and attributes. There has some state and attributes of the dog: breed, age, color, like. Okay. Now, behavior. The behavior of dog: bark, sleep, eating, like this all. Okay. This is the simple example of an object. Now next, how to create class in Java. Now let's see how to create the class in Java. As stated earlier, a class is user-defined data type. Class is a user-defined data type with template that serves to define its properties. In Java, class can be created using the keyword class and provide class name. Here we have to use the class to test. The name of class is test. Okay. Now here we have to declare variable and method. This is the simple example of class. Okay. Now next, one of the other example of class is, you can see here, class simple. The name of class is simple. Now I am declaring here simple method, public void, okay, string arguments. So in the display method, I am writing system.out.println hello Java, and this public void display method can be called in the main function. Let's see what is the meaning of class public static void main string system.out.println. Okay, the class keyword is used to declare a class in Java. The public keyword is an access modifier. There are some other access modifier also, which they are public, protected, private. These all are the access modifier. In that, public is also one of the access modifier, which represents visibility. It means it is visible to all. Okay. Now next, static. Static is one of the keyword. If we declare any method as a static, it is not changeable. That value is constant. It is known as the static method. The core advantage of the static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke the static method. The main method is executed by the JVM. What is meant by JVM? Java Virtual Machine. So it does not require to create an object to invoke the main method. So it saves memory. Okay. Next, void. Void is the return type of the method. It means it does not return any value. Understood? Main represents the starting point of the program or starting execution of the program. String argument, args means arguments, is used for command line argument. Now system.out.println is used to print statement. Here system is a class, out is the object of print string class. Println is the method of print string class. We will learn about the internal working of system.println system in other session. Okay. Now next, you see here how to create method in Java. I took here one of the simple example. Class simple. The name of class is simple. Okay. I am declaring here simple method public void display. Okay. Now, so in the display method, I am writing system.out.println hello Java, and this public void display method can be called in the main function. Okay. So that why I am creating another class, that is class test. That is class test. In the class test, I am writing the main method public static void main string arguments. Okay. Now in the main method, I am creating here object of the class. Okay, by using the object. Simple object, yes, new, simple. This is the object creation. Okay. And I am creating here the display method. Okay. Object, yes, display. This is the very simple program in Java. We will see execution of the program. Let's see.